today we are going to see how we can come up with a logo in word processing. First of all, we start with going to insert, then we look for the shapes like that. We draw our shape there. I copy and paste the shape like that. I change the shape fill. I make it white and outline white. Then I change the shape fill of the behind the circle to red like that. As well, I can also change the outline to, or I can leave it like that. Now what is remaining is copying the two. I copy that and this one, and I paste. I extend them this side, yeah, like that. I can extend like that, and I reduce on the size like that. So then after I click on this one, I turn it like that. Then I say, come this side, my man. I select the two, that one and this one. I bring it closer there. So here I've come up with a logo. Then inside there I can write something. Let's say I go to insert. I look for a text box there. Then I put, or I drop it there in the middle there. Then I change the outline to white. Then I enter my desired words. Let's say Uganda digital center. Then I center it, highlight. I can change the color, can change the color of the text to home. Then I can change it to color red. Then I change the font. Let's say that one there. Then I can increase on the font like that. Yeah, that's how you can come up with a design in your word processing using the different circles like that. Then the work looks beautiful in that way. Thanks for listening.